Hello, it's Jeanette here from my home studio, Pottery Ceramics in the UK, and I've got an unusual, very short video to share with you. I have received a parcel in the post, and I actually have no idea what's in it, and I'm really intrigued. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory. Recently, we've had a potters meetup with some UK potters, and Lucy from West 2 Ceramics is in that group, and we've been chatting on WhatsApp quite a lot. We went to pot clays. She cracks me up. She's got such a dry sense of humour, and she's so funny. And I got a message from her 2 days ago, and she said, "Excuse me, nice lady, may I have your address, please? I have a small pebble to post to you. It should get to you before the next kiln opening goes up. Otherwise, #spoiler, it's only a silly trinket." And then she said, "I'll be happy if you just don't slap me. Just remember it's made in love." So I'm wondering, what has she done? And then I said, "Well, thank you so much for sending me something. I'm going to love it, whatever." She says, "Well, I kind of had to send it to you, and it will make sense when you get it and you watch the next kiln opening." So Lucy's got a kiln opening due very soon. This is a little bit big to put a pebble in, Lucy. It's light enough. And my husband knows all about the girls, and we've met up and what we've been doing. And I've told him what Lucy's been doing, and he's as intrigued as me. So he's actually sat in the studio with me. But he doesn't want to come on camera. You're going to say hello, Mark?
Hello, everybody.
That's all you're going to get, his voice. So here we go. So it's not opened yet. I'm going to open it up. I really don't. With Lucy, you never know what she's going to come out with next. Also, I've got something, thank you, with a lovely sticker on from West 2 Ceramics. What's in here? There's a note. I dread to think. What's in here. Okay, so first of all, before I've opened, it says, "Remember this, #sorry not sorry. Love, Lucy." Here we go. And it's a picture of me. What have you done, Lucy? Okay, this is not a pebble. This is not a pebble. This is a big pebble. This is a very big pebble. Oh, it's wrapped up beautifully. I love your cards, by the way. Oh, what have you done? Remember this. I do remember my kiln opening. Yeah, most of my kiln openings are me in shock, horror, or joy. Beautifully wrapped. Wow, it's wrapped well. Oh, Lucy. Oh, so I shared with her a combo that have she done that on the bottom? I shared with her a combo that I'd done, which was with my 3x Mako Cordovan, 3x Mako birch, 3x Mako Cordovan, and then with some blue Mako cobalt wash on the top. And she messaged me and she said, "Remind me of that combo, please." And I told her, and then she said, "Double check something, something, something." And she's made me my own little ghosty. That is so cute. And then on the side, she's put Jeanette. Oh, Lucy, I love that. But you know what? I was expecting something either rude or, about some of the conversations that we've had have been hilarious. My husband's just twigging. So now I get it. So this is me. Is my hair that bad? It's not a ghosty, it's me. Oh, I didn't get it at first. I'm thinking, well, that's cute. I love it. I'm looking forward to seeing the kiln opening. That you've modelled me really well. We're going to be doing I think on the second of November, we're having a masterclass with the lovely Maxine here at my studio with Sarah Hallam Ceramics, Lucy from West 2 Ceramics, Maxine and myself. And Maxine's going to be showing us how she does sculpture work. Well, Lucy, you've already cracked it. You love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm going to go and send you a message now, and I'm looking forward to your kiln opening. Bye. I didn't get it.
I got it straight away. Why are you saying it's a ghosting?
It's me.
It's you. That's nice.
Oh, bless her. Bless her, bless her, bless her. Absolutely adore it. He's going in the house and he's taking pride of place. Thank you, Lucy, so, so much.
Hello.
Hello.
Which way up are we?
Okay, I'm getting me out of the way. Oh, I'm still grinning from ear to ear.
Hello. You okay?
I got to tell you, I was so intrigued, so intrigued. I'm telling Mark, telling him what you'd sent in the messages, and I said, well, you know, Lucy just cracks me up with her humour. I've no idea what to expect. Like, is this even video recordable? You know, transmittable?
Well, when it's me. Well, yeah. Well, when it's me, it could be anything.
So Mark came in the studio to watch me open it. He was so intrigued because he's going out for the day. He said, do it now, do it now. So he was sat, wouldn't come on the camera. But I didn't get it at first. I'm thinking, oh, it's so cute. I love the combo. I remember you asking me about it. And then Mark said, look at the photo. Yeah, I'm not as sharp with that. I'm like, yeah, I don't know the connection between the two. I'm going. And then when he said, Jen, have you seen the expression? I'm like, and then I absolutely adore it. And I was having a drink at the house and it matches beautifully.
Good, because I was worried because obviously I don't like different firings, isn't it? So
I love it.
I was a bit worried it wouldn't match.
It's just perfect. It's just perfect. I've grinned, I've chuckled. I went down to the lower studio, put a little tea light in it. Oh, he's gorgeous. So when you said you kind of had to, do you make these normally for market?
Yeah. So I throw them. They're just a little tulip cup that I throw on the wheel. It's about 300 grams.
Yeah.
And then turn it upside down, trim it so it's got a rounded bottom, and then just turn it back and then just start wiggling the rim when it's quite wet, and then just kind of build on it and carve it. But yeah, they're dead easy to make, but they're loads of fun. But I had because I've got a market about 4 or 5 days before Halloween, and I've managed to sell all the Halloween stuff. So I was desperately trying to make a load of Halloween stuff. So I made 14 of these ghosts. And when you've just been doing something for so long that your mind goes blank. And I was sat watching one of your videos. It was the one where you got your competition piece out. And I'm thinking, I really need some more ideas for these faces. And I was just like, And then once I'd done it, there was no way I could send it to anybody else.
Does it look like me? Is it true likeness? I was wondering what on earth was going to come. And I love the fact you put my name on it as well.
Well, they've all got names. So all the ghosties, I give them all individual names.
Oh, how cute. No wonder they go.
So that one had to be Jeanette.
I love it. I absolutely love it. But you know what? I actually haven't received a piece of pottery that was specifically made for me. I've received pottery from potters, which I love, but it's pieces they've made in general. Yeah. But to actually have one that was made specifically for me with my name on, it's a wonderful feeling. It's like I get now when you do a commission and you give it to somebody. And yeah, I got choked up after I got off the video because I was like, oh, Lucy. Well, yeah, I am a bit emotional. I love it. Absolutely love it. I can't tell you. Hello, Tonka.
You all right, babes?
Always in the
Yeah.
videos. I absolutely love it. It's
Yeah.
not a pebble.
No, but well, it is. It is because pebble's just a term for things that you collect that you think
Oh,
people might smile at.
yes, you told me that. No, I thought a pebble as in a
Yeah.
stone. And I'm thinking, what have we said
Yeah.
as to why you'd be sending me a
Be
stone?
careful. Yeah, be careful now because I will go around the garden and collect a box of rocks for you.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Did I tell you what I did?
What?
After I'd glazed your ghost,
Yeah.
so I was clearing up because my parents decided to do a surprise visit. So I was trying to clear up and
You
I'd been
dropped
glazing at the
something.
kitchen table. Yeah, so I was clearing away glazes and I had this massive tray full of glazes and I was being lazy. I knew I shouldn't have done it. Do you know what I mean? When you pick something up and you go, I really shouldn't be doing this. So I picked it up and I had a bottle of Cordovan. You know how red it is, balanced on the
All at
top.
once.
And went to open the back door, fell off, smashed the lid, whole bottle all over my utility room, right next to the kiln.
No.
Yeah, I
Why did
still
it
can't
have
get
to
it
be
out.
Cordovan as well? Oh my God,
Yeah,
you can't get that
exactly.
out of
Yeah,
anything.
yeah. So it's still can't get it out of. I've managed to get it like off my tiles, my skirting board, out of the grouting, but there's a little gap just underneath the door to the toilet where it's like just concrete and I just cannot get it out. So it's just red. It's just dried, it's just red. But yeah, I was so annoyed.
And you've lost a jar of glaze.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So I've now got to go and buy another bottle.
Oh my God. Oh
It's fine.
God.
But it's that situation now of like, because I need to order one bottle of glaze, I'm not going to pay delivery just for one
No,
bottle of glaze. So I now have to
that
order
was me.
several
That
bottles.
was me last night. So I ended up going Bath Potters for the rods because I'm thinking
Yeah,
these jumpers, there's only 5 of them that they did in the workshop. And I said, oh, it's underglaze. If you want to write on the back, just put a coat of underglaze and graffito in it. And then you're all talking about Paisley, which I haven't tried touching the kiln shelf yet because I only had them a couple of weeks ago, about them sticking. I'm thinking, oh Christ, they've spent ages doing these ugly jumpers. They're so proud and they're saying, oh, please don't break them. I'm thinking, oh yeah, no pressure, no pressure. And then what am I going to do?
have you not got any still?
Yes, but what I'm saying is I normally fire them flat. But because they put
Yeah.
the underglaze on, I'm thinking, what do I do now? So hence why I wanted to get some rods so I can hang them. I've got stilts, so I can put the rod on the stilts, etc., like the way Andrew did and what have you. When you say stilts, what
I'm
do you
just
mean?
thinking. So you get like a little. They're like little ceramic triangles, and they've got little wires in them,
No,
or the little ceramic points.
I haven't got any of them.
Have you got any nichrome wire?
Yes, but I've ordered something now and it should come tomorrow. But they will, because they're
Well, I'm
nice
just
and flat,
thinking
they'll clump.
well, that's what because I'm thinking with the Paisley because that's the problem with them, isn't it? I think they can potentially run because they've got flux in them. But if you get them on a stilt, so if you sit it flat as you would on the kiln shelf on a stilt, then it'll still be flat, so it won't run in the firing, and it'll still be off the kiln shelf, and they're light enough to not warp on a stilt.
So if I use some of my Nicara wire hooks and stuck those in different
So
clay,
just get a little like a circle or a triangle of clay, and just put 3 little snippets of nichrome wire in them, and then sit it on top of that.
yeah.
Or have you got any wadding?
No, but if
Just stick them in wadding.
but I'll get some. I know what I can use. You know the bases of these that have just all fallen out, which are nearly dry. If I can get the wire into those, and then I'll dry those because I'm trying to put a bisque on tonight because I've got to do it for a workshop on Monday.
2,000 years later.
That's what I'll do. And like you say, I've got a backup option then because I want to see if they drink the Paisley. But
I just want to point out that if you're not editing this bit out and people are watching this is what we do in the pottery group. This is the hive mind at work. It's just 1,000 messages back and forth. Have you tried this? Have you done this? Have you done this?
Yeah. I wish there was a count of how many messages are in that group. We've only been going like about 10, 12 days or whatever it is. We must be up to about 5,000 messages now at least.
Oh, I dread to think.
I love
And
that.
then you log on to it, and there's something really weird on there, like Julia's, well, I've got baby heads in my freezer. And you're like, hang on, I need some context here
Well, you get on.
before I write a response.
And if you're like out for the whole day, or you don't see it one night, and you look back, 152 messages, and you try and reply to one, and you can't. As you read, catch up, and you read down, you try and reply, and it takes you right back down to the bottom again. So then you have to work your way. Where was I? Where was I? And even you first go in, it goes back to you have 192 unread messages. But I've learnt now not to reply to them until I've read down to the bottom, because it just my head's going up and
Yeah.
down like this. I love it though, because you get some quick answers for dilemmas that you have.
Yeah.
And there's quite a broad experience level in different things between us, which is quite good.
Yeah.
Which I love that.
Yeah, it has been extremely useful. I mean, there's already been a few times where I've changed something I'm going to do based on what the girls have said. So yeah, it's
your
incredibly
ornaments turned out quite well on those rods in the end, didn't they? They didn't slump too much.
They did.
Because they were much heavier
They
than
did. They're actually very heavy for what they are. You should try them. They're really good.
Yeah.
So quick to make. I was just absolutely creasing on that second Raku video, and your mum is just like, bless her. She's like, you can see her face in the background. It's like, I'm really confused, but I'm not going to say anything.
She was like, you can't hide her.
I don't understand
at all. She's going, okay. No, I like Bella and Blaze. Don't make me anything out of Roxy. Can I have Bella and Blaze things, please? When we were putting the empty rink in, she says, so you want to make the cracks more noticeable? And her face was like, I couldn't have put her on camera.
Why?
Yeah, it was like the most. Because we had it recording all the time, you forget it's recording. Anyway, I suppose we know it needs to get on, don't we? We need to get on. But
yes.
thank you from the bottom of my heart for this. Really, 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 it means the world to me. Thank you. And it's going to go inside now. And he needs a name. What's his name going to be?
It's a she, and her name is Jeanette.
Jeanette the ghost.
Yeah. The kiln-opening ghost.
Later.
We need to get some work done, don't we? I haven't had breakfast yet. I've just realised why my stomach's rumbling.
No, I haven't even.
I saw the postman. I came in. I filmed this. I haven't left the studio.
Did you run up the drive? Like,
literally, when you see our drive, it's a long way from our front. Well, it's not a long way. It's up a hill, and I had to go all the way up. Yeah.
Oh, so you know when I had the Twilights delivered from Bath Potters.
Yeah.
So they misdelivered it. They misdelivered it to a house down the road. And because it's not a house that I go to very much, I don't go to at all. So I didn't recognise the front door, and I couldn't find this house anywhere. Like I'd text my neighbours, I'd text the local village WhatsApp. I couldn't find this parcel. I'm sat here going, oh God, where is it? I was driving back through the village, having been door spotting because I had a photo of the door. So I was driving up and down the village trying to recognise the door, saw the postman, pulled him over and went, where's that? Where is it? Yeah, and eventually he got me there. I was like, yeah, I'd commandeered the postman.
You're flaming nuts, you are. I need it. We're on 58 minutes.
Oh God.
We've lost an hour of our life. Of our pottery cast
It's
today.
not lost.
I've enjoyed it.
It's not lost.
No, it's not. But as in we should have been doing something while we were talking, shouldn't we?
With a time.
Oh dear. This has definitely been edited out. I'll have no memory left on my phone after this video. Right, I'm going to go. Thank you again so much. Speak to you soon.
Love you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.